everyone, I'm Cynthia and this is English Unite. Today we are going to talk about one of the most common vowel sounds in English, the short A. It sounds like ah, but a lot of times I hear For example, instead of saying dad, a lot of times I will hear dat, which sounds like dead. So dead, dad, dad. This is the sound we're going to focus on today. So let's do it together. Take a look at what's happening here. This is super important. You want to drop your jaw when you make this sound. Dad, 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 dad. To help us remember this sound, we're going to watch a short clip of a screaming goat. That's right. 1, screaming goats are a real thing. 2, they're going to help us remember this sound. You ready? Let's check it out. Did you hear it? That sound is exactly what we're doing in English. It's just a little exaggerated, which is a great way to practice and retrain our minds, is to hear the sound that's exaggerated, to make it exaggerated, and then to put it back normal. So we're going to do it together. Let's take a look at that same word, dad, and just relax for a moment, get comfortable. You just want to be able to laugh at yourself, to laugh, that sound. We're going to do that right now. So I want you to do this with me. Dad, 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 dad. Have fun. This is part of learning the language, and it's also part of retraining your brain to make this sound correctly. So now let's read a sentence that repeats this sound. We'll do it the first time normal. A man ran rapidly with apples. Now let's do it again, but sound like a screaming goat. A man ran rapidly with apples. Yeah. It is fun. And then you do that a few times and then put it back normal. And do this repeatedly and you will be surprised with the results. You will master the sound. Master, master. The sound really is everywhere. So now it's your turn. Go practice, but let us know in the comments what you think. And we will see you back here for our next video.